Wait, just kidding. Not a cold start. Thought I drove it this morning. What is up, YouTube? Today, we're gonna be doing an oil change, but it's gonna be a little different than our usual. Oh my god. The body shop unplugged the battery, so now all my settings are back to factory. But as I was saying, today we're gonna be doing an oil change on the GR86. It is past due now since it's just been sitting at the shop. But it's gonna be a little different than our usual oil change because we're installing the Fumoto drain valve. I know there's a lot of controversy regarding this, but my girlfriend got it for me as a little gift. So we're gonna go ahead and install that today. You see how it makes so much noise like that? Here's a trick. Boom! Less noise. Never mind. I think that was even louder. And y'all already know my least favorite thing about this car right now is getting it up in the air, bro. Y'all already know we're gonna go grab Mr. Porky real quick. Yeah, John Pork. Yeah. Mr. Porky. Throw this under the wheel. Boom. Boom. And this should give us enough clearance to put the jack under the side skirt onto the pinch weld. Ah, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on now. Come on. Get up there.
A few moments later.
We on?
Huh?
Ah, look at that. All right, car is on the jack now. Let's go ahead and grab our drain pan. Speaking of a drain pan, someone recommend me a good drain pan because this right here is the one I've been using. And it's kind of booty. We used to have a bigger one and then it cracked. So now we're stuck with this. I think I might have kicked this too far. Under the car now. Go ahead and remove these bolts. No glove, no love. Grab the drain pan. Up. Which way is the best? Oh, I don't know. Look, you guys see the drain pan? I don't think so. Oh shit. Ow. It is hot. Hey, not bad. What the fuck? Oh my. I wasn't watching it and it was what was it? It was just drizzling outside the pan. Hey, not bad, huh? Not bad. Except for fucking this last part. Alright, so while that's draining down there, talk about this real quick. Got the Fumoto engine oil drain valve from Kevin Vo over at Driven Media. Hey, don't worry, bro. My hood PPF. Oh shit, it's dropping everything. Look how dirty my engine bay got while I was at the shop, man. Dirty. Ugh, I can't reach. All right, look at this, so dirty. Ah, it's hot. Take that out. Go grab my oil. Alright, so the oil we'll be using, like always, Moto 5W30. Boom. 5W30. I know Subaru and Toyota put in 0W20, but to get a little extra protection when I'm out at the track or I'm driving spiritedly, we'll go ahead and use the 5W30. And the filter we got, same as always, Subaru OEM. Look, I also got a crush washer, but we're not gonna be using that this time. Let's go ahead and open up the new drain valve. Boom! There it is. There it is. Look, we don't need a crush washer because there's a washer on here already. And then it comes with this little safety little, I don't know what we call this, safety tab clip, so then it doesn't move around. But let's say it's on like this, right? All I gotta do, down. Let me flip the other way so you can see. You guys see that? You see this little thing right here? Down and then to the, what the fuck? Hey, come on, man. There we go. I wasn't doing it hard enough. Boom. You see that? Just press, turn. You see this valve in here? Press, turn. Boom. 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 Oh nah, bro. Ain't no way it took me that long to figure out how to put this little tab back on, bro. Look at this. So that's how it goes on. It holds in this little thingy, this little switch. Alright, let's go install it. Okay. So instructions said just to hand tighten this. Boom, perfect. Get it hand tighten. And then when to go in there, get it in maybe an 1/8 to 1/4. Oh. There we go. Boom. So now when we do oil change, unclip that, turn this. Boom. We got oil. Clip it back on. Boom. Now last order of business. Fill her up. Fumoto knows that car guys have bad aim, so they added a little sprout for us. Look at that. And just like that, oil change is done. Put that back on there. Alright, close her up. Well, actually no, don't close her up because I need to check the oil. What we need to do is get her off the jacks. Now we gotta lower it onto my boy John Pork. Alright, John Pork. Oh! Whoa, why was that go so fast? Perfect. Boom. Looks good. We're a little overfilled. Perfect. Right where we want it to be. dropped the mic. Boom. And just like that, we now have an oil change that's 2 times cleaner, 2 times easier, 2 times faster, and less messy. But one thing I heard about this is it actually takes a while to drain the oil. But we'll see the next time I do an oil change. I might have to update you guys. Check out the car though, bro. Oh nah. Oh nah. I'm missing this in front of my house. Look at this. Oh nah. Oh nah. Hey, we're still missing a lip though. Body shop is actually painting it right now, getting that PPF as well. Should be picking up anytime soon. Alright y'all, that is all I have for y'all today. Oh my god, I just realized how dirty this thing is. Oh my. Alright y'all, so that is all I have for you today. The Fumoto oil drain plug, easy to install. There's nothing really to it. It's just like any other oil change, but instead of a drain plug you put this in instead. But yeah, next oil change I'll update you guys and let you guys know how it goes. That's all I have for today. Catch you guys on the next one. Later.